Hi, my name is Arvinder Mona, and I'm 55 years old. I've come from Bangalore, and I had very blurry vision. I couldn't see things from, I think, around 3-4 feet also away from me. So I was very nervous, and I got to know about Kenia Eye Hospital, and I came here, and my experience here from when I entered was really beautiful. I was taken care of, all the tests were done. I didn't have to wait for every test, in between every test. One person was assigned to me and he took me through all the tests and it was done so beautifully. Then I met the doctor and doctor suggested that I go in for a cataract operation. I was very nervous about the whole thing because getting both my eyes operated, I was not ready for it. But I met Mr. Abhishek and he explained to me so beautifully everything, how it has to be done, and even he helped me with the insurance part of it. So everything was quite clear what is going to happen to me in the operation table, and so that gave me a little confidence. Then I met Dr. Vaishal, and when he came in, he said, "How are you? Are you ready?" So I was so confident. I was just meeting him and his positive nature. And I was a little nervous when they were going to start the operation, when they covered my face. I was a little nervous, but he started talking to me. And in the talk only, he did my operation. It was 10 minutes and I came out and I was so happy that it was so easy. And I went in for the this lens, where you can see.
It was a trifocal
Lens, wherein you can see for far also and in front. So you don't need specs at all. So that was very convenient for me. So I got that put. And now it's amazing how things turned, From now I can see so clearly and I'm so happy that both my eyes are now functional and I'm so happy for the whole procedure has gone off so well. And I thank Dr. Vaishal Kenia and Mr. Abhishek and the whole team of Kenia for being so cooperative and giving me a new life, my eyes new life, I think. Thank you so much.
So how do you feel without glasses after the surgery?
Oh, it's wonderful. As if, your eyes are open to a new world where I couldn't see, I couldn't focus anywhere I would go. I used to fall also quite often. So now the vision is so clear, it's crystal clear. I can see real far, and that I think the lens is so good that your vision is, I think, 100%. I can see now 100% from where I could see only 30%. So it's really good. I think this lens is really good.
Thanks a lot.